Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma addressed a stadium packed with over 15,000 people on the occasion of the opening ceremony of the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 at the Viajar Multi-Sports Complex Stadium in Jowai on Tuesday. In his address to the athletes, Sangma said, "Sport activities are not just about winning medals. They are more about building character and fostering discipline." He informed that the government emphasizes youth and organizes events to develop and harness their talents. The event was attended by cabinet ministers and other dignitaries, including the ambassador to India from the Embassy of Uzbekistan. Over 3,500 athletes from 29 disciplines are competing across 23 venues in West Jaintia Hills, including 2 venues in Shillong and Nightcore.
This is about building the character of our future generation. Playing sports is not just about winning a medal. Playing sports and participating in such games is about discipline, is about hard work, it's about accepting defeat, learning from that defeat and improving your skills. It is about building character. It is about bringing our athletes to different parts of the state. I'm sure there are many of you who must have visited Jowai for the first time, visited Jaintia Hills for the first time, and I'm sure there were many of you who had visited Turai last year for the first time.
For the International Supporter Cup, she has represented Meghalaya for the International Supporter Cup.
And yes, the other countries are meeting the athletes.
Thank you. Arung.
We have a group picture of Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Ministers, and
Leader of Opposition